Hey little baby, do you feel better now that you had your bath? Are you tired? Look at what you do with your little hand. There you go, you're blinking, looking up at mommy because you're scared, you're being quiet. That bath monster might come get you again. That's right, look at the camera. Ooh, tongue out with food on it. Yummy. Yummy little baby with your little hat that Vicky knit. You're looking cute. Just looking around. With your little feet. You're not doing anything. Look at the little hands. Make little hand motions. Look at that. It's very quiet. Look at your pretty face. Yawning. Sticking out your tongue. Can I just hold you now? Ooh, the little hands are moving again. Waving. This is only excited for Grandma and Grandpa. You look so pretty now. And if Mommy does your hair soon, it won't be messy again for a week. Look at your little face. Do something with your hands. Do something with your little fingers. Okay. Little face making faces. Hi. Are you not pretty or what? Okay, kiss everybody. These are her little lips.